Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to get started on taking apart the WRX today. As you can see, we got it up in the air, pretty high up. I got the seats moved forward. I got it lit up. We're going to take that back seat out so we can get to the top mounts on the rear struts. So let's get started. Alright, to get started, there's two 12mm bolts down here on the bottom. Pull these two bolts out to get the seat out. Get to the bottom. Remove the bottom of the seat. Alright, now there's a couple bolts in here for the top. Also 12mm down here on the bottom. That's it. I think there's supposed to be two more there that are missing, so we'll have to look into getting a replacement for them. Then just move your seatbelts aside, push up. The middle one obviously is going to be in the way a little bit. Push this side up. And out it comes. Okay, so with the seat out, I have some amp wiring and stuff going on back here. And the amp I currently have in here, that's going to be coming out. Normally there's a cardboard piece here, trunk liner carpet on it, that covers up this area. So we got to drop the 4 bolts in here. I mean 3 bolts, I'm sorry. 3 bolts right here. On the top of the strut, one there, and that'll drop out the top part of the strut. I go down the bottom and release the bottom part. I usually do the bottom first because if you do the top, you're dropping all the weight down. This way, you're just dropping the weight of the strut. So let's go down to the bottom part. Alright, here we are on the bottom. We got to remove these 2 bolts right here, attach the strut to the rear hub assembly. Then that'll get us up there. We can get the other 2 down. I'm just going to use an impact gun and a combination wrench. Get those out nice and easy. Lift a little bit of the weight off. You can get these bolts right out. And let that sag. I wouldn't let it sag too much. You'll end up pulling the axle out of the rear end, and then you got to get it realigned. But other than that, that's the bottom. We'll go take those 3 bolts out on the top, and we can drop this strut out. All right, here we are back in the trunk. We're going to remove the 3 bolts that hold in that strut right there on the top, and we'll drop that whole unit right out the bottom. These are, if I'm not mistaken, 12mm. I have a strut towel brace in here, so there's a little extra tension on them, but for the most part, they should just come right out. If you have stock struts in there, just be careful. You might, it's not uncommon to snap the tops of the bolts off. In which case, if you're not reusing them, it really doesn't make that much of a difference. Like if you have somebody else to help you out, or just if you can get under here and grab the other side of it, release some of the pressure and weight on it. Because once you pull this nut off, strut's going to drop out the bottom. That's it. And there you have it. There's a set of coilovers. Nothing crazy I had in there. Car rode good with them, but we're going to replace these with these. So obviously we're going to want to crank the height up on that one a little bit. We don't want it to be that low. We got plenty of room in that one, so stay tuned. Said hit that like and subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Gonna go ahead and take apart the other side, same as this one, and then next video I'll be taking the fronts out. Video after that we'll put them all back in. We'll start running the airlines to the back of the car, to the management system. We'll start setting the trunk up for the airlines, the management, the amplifier, all that stuff. We'll do a little custom work back there. Like I said, thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.